Hello, I'm Yuresh Gopal from BITC. So today we are going to look at techniques in agile methodology. What is agile? Agile refers to software development methodology that is centered around the idea of iterative development where requirements and solution evolve through collaboration between self-organizing cross-functional teams. The ultimate value in agile development is that it enables teams to deliver value faster with greater quality and predictability and its greater ability to respond to change. For the first one is Scrum. Scrum normally concentrates specifically on how to manage tasks within a team-based development environment. And it's actually a metaphor from game of rugby. Scrum relies on talented people with varying responsibility and domains working closely together in teams towards a common goal. So usually a good way to demonstrate whether your project is generating the intended result or not. So when we need to use Scrum, Scrum works well for long-term complex project that requires stakeholder feedback. So when the exact amount of work can be estimated or the release date is not fixed, Scrum may be the best choice. Scrum consists of three roles, which is Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Scrum Team. The next is XP. Extreme Programming is an agile software development framework that aims to produce higher quality software, higher quality of life for the development team. XP is the most specific of agile frameworks regarding appropriate engineering practices for software development. Five values of extreme programming are communication, simplicity, feedback, respect, and courage. So there are seven phases of extreme programming, which is planning, analysis, design, execution, wrapping, and finally closure. So when we need to use XP, so we'll be using XP, especially we are around tight deadlines or in a small number of programmers, which is around 2 to 12, or uh, if not sure whether not only developers or but also customer and manager will be able to work together on a project. So the next is FDD, which is feature driven development. This method is focused around designing and building features. Unlike other agile methods, it describes very specific short phases of work that has to be accomplished separately per feature. So it targets on feature teams, inspection, regular builds, and so on. So the final one is Kanban. This framework or method is quite adopted in software testing method, especially in agile concepts. Kanban is simple yet powerful approach to developing software product. It requires real-time communication of capacity and full transparency of work. Work items are represented visually on a Kanban board, allowing team members to see the state of every piece of work at any time. When used for software development, Kanban uses the stages in the software development life cycle to represent the different stages in the manufacturing process. The aim is to control and manage the flow of features so that the number of features entering the process matches those being completed. So when we need to use Kanban, Kanban is so focused on doing small pieces of work as they come up. So for example, if a tester finds errors in the product, developer try to fix it. So Kanban works well after the main release. Thank you.